Can you tell me, what you got a Microsoft here? It's a fantastic program. How does that work?
Absolutely. What I have here is a head mouse basically, and I have a device that's sitting on top of the monitor, and it sends an infrared signal. And I have a dot right here, a reflective marker basically. And what it does, it reflects that infrared back to the device, fooling the computer as if I'm using a regular mouse. So I'll be able to move my head right, left, up, and down, and I'll have a good control of the mouse pointer. Now also I have a software program that will allow me to click, double click, drag, all of the functions that we do with the regular mouse. And if I have all of that, then I'll be able to browse the internet like you see at this point.
Well, that'd be great for people that, paralyzed, they can't move.
Absolutely.
They can sit there and do that.
Absolutely. And also I have a visual keyboard which will allow me to type using the head mouse. So if I have an access to the keyboard and I have access to the mouse hands-free, then I have a full access to the computer.
Well, you're here getting an award tonight at the DaVinci Awards from the Engineering Society and MS Society.
Yes.
It's really great.
Absolutely.
And it's Microsoft and a lot of great things they're doing for people with disabilities.
Absolutely. There is a lot of functionalities that Microsoft have embedded inside the operating system to help individuals with disabilities.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you.
I'm with Gary Talbot here at the 2003 DaVinci Awards put on by the Engineering Society and the MS Society, and General Motors is a sponsor. Gary, this is great.
Oh, absolutely. Good to see you, Roger. Yeah, we're so proud to be a sponsor of this event. The DaVinci Awards and the DaVinci Dinner is such a neat thing because it's recognizing corporations and institutions that really use the ADA as just a baseline. It's a place to start. The people that we recognize have gone so much further with universal design to really benefit our community, and cheers to them.
It's amazing what you see here.
It's absolutely amazing.
And it's something I think that you think about it, Ford, Chrysler, General Motors, you guys all take a sponsor in it. But I tell you what, I think you're probably the only paraplegic engineer in this barrier-free business that you know what's going on out here. Not that the others don't, but you know, live in it, why this is needed.
Oh, I agree with that. I'm so fortunate because we've got a team of people at General Motors that are working really hard to come up with solutions, good solutions that make sense for our customers. And it's kind of like with DaVinci, you've got so many different people here from all different industries. We've got the theme park industry here with Disney and Universal Studios. You've got Dean Kamen and all of his wonderful work that he's done. So it's so cool to be able to recognize folks that are working so hard to benefit people with disabilities. To me, it's almost like, we do something that's really great and we raise the bar. Somebody else has to meet that and raise the bar. And who benefits is our customers. It's the people, the senior population, people with disabilities that maybe need a little extra here, a little extra there, or a little different way of getting in and out of something. We benefit from this, and those folks are here and being recognized tonight.
And maybe we'll see more people in wheelchairs working in these things.
Absolutely.
That's our goal.
That's the whole goal. We're 73% unemployed for people with severe disabilities. We've got to work hard, stay focused, and get those folks employed.
All right. Well, Gary, thanks a lot and have a good evening.
Thanks so much, Raj. Have a great night.
At the Chrysler Group and Daimler Chrysler, we share the fundamental belief that it is our social responsibility to help create opportunities for people with disadvantages where we can. We believe that to operate successfully in a diverse society, you have to unleash the talents and productivity and welcome the perspectives of people who represent the broad spectrum of its members.
Well, it's clear that our purpose is to provide mobility as a car company, and we think that there obviously is a great match in helping with some innovation that everybody in the society can have as much mobility as ever possible. And therefore, I think any kind of cooperation with people who have any kind of disabilities is just a win-win for both sides. It's a good thing for the company, it's a good thing for the society, and it's a good thing for all people being affected.
I could see here, over the years, everything we've had here, you guys just do a tremendous job in supporting this, and I just want to thank you and the other automobile companies that remember the people with disabilities and seniors when you're building these products.
I very much appreciate that. Actually, the Chrysler Group was the one which first started with automobility, as we call it today, programs to add devices to our vehicles which enable people with disabilities to use the car. And we are very proud that today most automotive companies are in kind of those programs which we started. And we have a huge base of very, very satisfied customers where we can help them gain mobility again.
Oh, I'll tell you, I appreciate you coming out here.
Thank you, auf Wiedersehen. All the best.
Please welcome Mr. Tony Filipes.
Tony, what do you think of this?
Oh, it's great. I mean, it's something that's is doing so much for the people with disability that we're going to get a cure.
Yeah.
And it's people like Ford, General Motors, Chrysler that are doing this, and I want to thank all the people for coming.
And look at the technology tonight.
Oh, it's tremendous. It's tremendous. You know, I'm not a public speaker, but I want to tell you something. What these people are doing at this running this award thing is great.
Accepting the DaVinci Award on behalf of Orbitouch Keyless Keyboard, Peter McCallendon, President and CEO of Keybolt Inc.
Well, I'll tell you, Pete, you got a heck of a program here tonight. This is the company that you're out of Florida, are you?
Yeah, Winter Park, Florida.
And could you tell me what you got here? You got an award, right?
Yes,
At
we were very
DaVinci
fortunate.
Awards 2003.
Yes.
Can you tell me what for?
Yes, we're here with the Orbitouch Keyless Keyboard. It's a 128-character keyboard with built-in mouse that totally eliminates finger motion and wrist motion. So for any individual that doesn't have full use of their hands, they still have an ability to type and to mouse around using a computer.
All right, Pete, I want to thank you for sharing that with us.
Well, thank
and
you
it
so
looks
much.
like a great, great product.
Well, thank you so much.
All right, good luck with it.
Thank you.
How did you ever get involved in this, putting a program like this on?
This program started 3 years ago. It was a partnership between the MS Society, Michigan chapter, and also the Engineering Society of Detroit. And we thought it was a great fit for the two organizations to join forces and to recognize people in the engineering industry who help to contribute vehicles that will help those who are having disabilities or problems.
Well, I'll tell you, congratulations for the work you're doing and what you're doing to help disabled people.
Thank you.